4 Evergreen presents 10 most wonderful birds you won't believe actually exist. 10. Wilson's Bird of Paradise. Found in the Indonesian hilltops and rainforests, the Wilson's Bird of Paradise was named after a British ornithologist, Edward Wilson. This smaller-sized bird can reach a length of 6.3 inches and can be up to 0.7 kilograms in weight. This multicolored bird has black and red plumage primarily with light green mouth, blue feet, and violet-colored feathers. The females bear a blue crown, which distinguishes them from the males. They have a normal lifespan of about 5 to 8 years. Due to loss in its habitat, this species is declared as near threatened by IUCN. Nine. Guianan Cock of the Rock. Another unbelievable bird of the passerine species is the Guianan Cock of the Rock. This South American bird is endemic to the tropical rainforests and prefers rocky habitats than greener surroundings. It is around 12 inches in length and nearly 0.2 kilograms in weight. Its plumage is brownish smoky gray and has bright orange feathers, legs, and skin. They are known for the half-moon crest on their heads that gives them their unique look. With good food and protection from predators in captivity, they can live up to 7 years. 8. Magnificent Frigate Bird. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions between Mexico to Ecuador and Florida to Brazil, this weird-looking seabird is a unique-looking thing. It has a large-sized body with brownish-black plumage and long, narrow wings. The females of the species are a little larger in size and have white breasts and belly. It has a length of 35 to 45 inches and a weight of 1 to 1.5 kilograms. They feed themselves by catching fish from the ocean surface during flight, and sometimes even harass other birds to regurgitate their food. 7. Three-wattled bellbird. Belonging to the Continga family, this Central and South American migratory bird is one of the most amazingly weird species. This breed has a size of 9 to 12 inches and a weight of 0.2 kilograms. The males have a chestnut-colored plumage with white head and throat. The beak of the bird is long, slender, and black. The females have olive-colored plumage with yellow underpants. One of the 2 reasons for its fame are its distinct vocals, whereas the other is the fact that this species is now declared as vulnerable by the IUCN. 6. Sri Lanka frogmouth. Native to the Indian and Sri Lankan Ghats, the Sri Lankan frogmouth is also known as the Ceylon frogmouth. This nocturnal nightjar mostly lives in the woodland habitats and is endemic to the forests of the native lands. It has a plumage of the color of dried leaves, which makes it difficult to spot. It reaches up to 9.1 inches in length and can weigh up to 0.6 kilograms. With a lifespan of about 10 years, this bird is one of the strangest and unique-looking birds in the world. Five, long-wattled umbrella bird. Also known as Vaca de Monte. The long-wattled umbrella bird belongs to the Cotingia family. It is found in the lowlands and forests of Pacific Slope from Colombia to Ecuador. This bird has a height of 15 to 16 inches and a length of nearly 8 to 11 inches. It weighs around 0.3 to 0.5 kilograms and has a long wattle around its throat. This wattle is absent in females and juveniles. Instead, they have a crest which is similar but not as big as that of a full-grown male. They have a lifespan of 10 to 12 years and distinguishable black-colored shafts in their feathers. 4. King vulture. One of the New World vulture families, the king vulture is a large-sized bird. It is found in the tropical forests of southern and central parts of America. This large-sized bird is 32 meters in length and is around 45 kilograms in weight. It comes in different colors with black feathers. It has a distinguishing orange caruncle on its beak. That gives it the strange and unique look. Reportedly, living up to 30 years in captivity, this bird is certainly one of the strangest and most wonderful birds in the world. Three, helmeted hornbill. Native to the forests of Peninsula, Sumatra, and Borneo, the helmeted hornbill is a large-sized bird of the hornbill family. The body length varies from 43 to 47 inches with a total weight of 3 kilograms. This bizarre-looking bird is known for its huge-sized head and has around 11% of the body weight above its neck. They have a greenish throat patch in females and which is red in males. The large head is used as a weapon in combat with other males. Two, Hoatzin. This reptile bird goes by many names. Known as Hoatzin, skunkbird, and stinkbird, it is a tropical species found in the forests and swamps of Amazon and basins of South America. These pheasant-sized birds have a length of 26 inches and weight of around 0.7 to 0.9 kilograms. It has long orange-colored neck with a small head having a spiky crest on the top. The underparts are dark and buff, whereas the underwings are chestnut color. It has an average lifespan of 15 years, and the name of this bird is derived because of its foul odor. 1. Greater sage grouse. The largest of the grouse family in North America, the greater sage grouse is the strangest bird in the world. It is found in the western areas of the United States, Saskatchewan, and Canada. This species ranges from 26 to 30 inches in length and weighs about 3 kilograms. The adults of the breed have long pointy tails and dark brown throats. It gets its name because of its favorite food, sagebrush. These birds have probably the shortest average lifespan in the world of about 1.5 years. Due to huge loss in habitat, they are recognized as threatened by the IUCN. Thanks for watching. Tell us in comments which one of these is most beautiful.